तिलपू आई अशा तू कोणतं ब्राय हां वाव
Be aware of legend.
Our tuition auntie is the best.
I have a YouTube channel named NJ Unboxing Hub.
what he has named his plant after Chomu that kudardi tarir
Sweetie plant.
sweetie plant ke da is sweetie na plant that kudardi tar
Preeti.
ಪ್ರೀತಿ
Merry Christmas.
ಇತ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಪೂರ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆದುಲ್ಲಾರ ಏತ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏ ಯಾರದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು After a long break, I'm here with my next video. But you all might be wondering, like, why am I not telling my usual dialogue that I tell in the beginning of every video? And that's because I have a bunch of cute people with me in this video today. I'll show you them in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so they said it for me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Also, you might see every one of us are dressed up in white or red. That's because we are celebrating Christmas today too. But how, I'll be telling you all later. So if you do not know, my mother is a tuition teacher, so she has these many kids in a tuition. So first of all, I asked them to get bottles and Nikhil letu bottle kandre bandittini 21. Okay, there were 21 students and I thought like each one will get one bottle. And look at them, they already bought so many bottles. Tujpala undu puri nikle kantina. I'll introduce each one of them later together. Tilpu ai asha tu konta brai wow cute. But before that, let me ask them, like, why are they here on my channel or what are we going to do? Let's see what they reply, okay? Okay, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ? ಹಾ? ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ?
Christmas.
ಖಾಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ಸೇ?
Christmas day.
ಹಾ?
Christmas.
ಖಾಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ತಾಯಿ Christmas. So everybody thinks it's for Christmas, huh?
Joy.
Eranala bete answer panpara.
Joy.
Okay, so some people have idea here because we were doing all these things. So let's just begin with the video ata. Ita Nikhil pura excited adullara?
No.
Eighth excitement. Eh yaradu no heliddu. What we are going to do today is each one of the students will be getting one bottle with the sapling, so that is also called as bottle gardening. Today I am going to do with them, as I also had this as a part of my New Year resolution, and I have this bunch of cuties with me accompanying for this bottle gardening. And the best part is they have to name the bottle, whatever they have, right? They have to name the bottle garden as to any name, whatever they want, and also tell us why they named it after that particular name. So that is going to be the video for today. So this is my mom, and I forgot to introduce her only in the video. So she is their tuition teacher and she is also going to join us today.
I'm very happy to see my kids like this. Yes.
So she's given a thumbs up to all of us. This is my most favorite sapling out of all. coming to the most exciting part. I am so curious to know what all they have named. First of all, they all are so excited with the plant. I feel so happy to see all that. Now they are going to come one by one, introduce themselves, and then they are going to tell me what name they have kept and why they have kept that. So this girl, I think most of y'all who follow me on Instagram might be already knowing her. She is Udarvalle, Alpavalle. So her name is Dhriti. Okay, so your plant is stand. Okay, that is Udarvita.
Angel.
That is
Angel.
the angel. Alpavalle. The angel. ಇಷ್ಟ ಏನು ಪುದಾರೆ ಎಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕು ಯಾಕೆ ಕುಕ್ಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ and here we have our next cute little girl. So in pudardade
Aishani.
Aishani. Aishani. So she is Aishani and in a plant touchpale. So she has this plant and dade pudarditari right?
Cutie pie.
Dade?
Cutie pie.
Okay, so she has named it Cutie Pie. Dai Cutie Pie.
Flower.
Huh?
Flower.
Flower. Panda?
Like flower apple.
So this sapling what she got actually there's a flower like compared to other sapling undu sapling ide matra flower apunate so net flower apun and that's why she has named it after Cutie Pie. Irada pudardita like she has named it after Cutie and the Cutie.
Like flower apple.
Okay, so I think both of them decided together. Even our friend Aishani, mostly they decided together. She is Cutie Pie and hers is Cutie. So that's why maybe they named it after Cutie and Cutie Pie. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Pura English. Show kutten some panle.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, she says. Thank you. So we have our next person, the next cute guy here. Irna pudar dade.
Summer.
Samath. His name is Samath and irna plant dade pudar ditar.
Preeti.
Preeti. Oh, cute. Inchina?
Preeti.
Dai Preeti.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ
ಯಾರನ್ನು
ನನ್ನನ್ನು
ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕರೆಯುವುದಾ ಓ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಾ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಾ ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಸೊ ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಇದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಎಂತ ಈಗ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾವನ್ ನಮ್ಮನ ನಾವನ ರಾವಣ್ ನಾವನ್ ಓಕೆ ನಾವನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ Okay, so he has named it after Navan and he does not know why he has named it, but it's okay. We have Abhishek from 4th grade and in plant pudar dade.
ಸ್ವೀಟಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್
Huh?
ಸ್ವೀಟಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್
Dai sweetie.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್
Erandala sweetie ulla. What?
ಆನು
To. Anadu sweetie endu ditina. Satyama nana ponna. Nana pudar sweetie ya. So aiki ayana pudar ayana ennitide aiki sweetie ditina. Okay, so this is very new. I never knew that he has a friend who is a boy whose pet name is Sweetie, and that's why he has named this plant after Sweetie. The institution Puramaster, he is that one guy who is always excited, who is always playing around, and who is the one who gets more scoldings. So this guy, like something or the other he does and it annoys my mom and she starts screaming at this guy. I don't know why he is acting very like decent and he in a true form it bala ya true form it. It's a newcomer. So in a plant the pudar dade. Cute plant. So he has named this plant as cute plant. That cute plant. Almost cute undige. So that's why he has named this plant as cute plant. In a pudar dade. His name is Yuvraj. Okay. So in the plant Tochpale. This is I think new plant. So far we have not seen money plant. Money plant. So that pudar ditarira. He has named this plant as Bachire plant and Bachire da hai. Oh nice, innovative. Chinmay is the pudar. I mean is the plant is that pudar ditar. Chintu. Okay, he has named this plant as Chintu and da Chintu. ಅವ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ he has named it as Chintu. So ಇರ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾದ ಕುದರ್ದಿ ಸರ್
Bunty.
ಬಂಟಿಯಾ. Okay, he has named this plant after Bunty. And why Bunty?
ಎಂಗ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಾವು ಕುದರ್ ದಾಯ್ ಏರಂಡಲ್ ಉಲ್ಲೆರ ಬಂಟಿ ಇಜ್ಜೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇರ್ನದಾದೆ ಪುದರ್ ಇರ್ನ ಪುದರ್ದಾದೆ
ರಾಕೇಶ್.
I confuse on first he was thinking about this plant name I think. So Rakesh irna plant the kudardaade cutie plant. Oh dai purella cutie bantini
ಫುಲ್
ishta inike cutie bete iri ishta inike purella cutie lekkune
Andi.
Okay, so his plant is named after cutie because meg must stand and meg air stand he calls them as cutie. Yeah, irnandala betele idare cutie. It has this big bottle and dade undita pudar Pintu. Sorry, irna pudar dade Yeshwant. So he is Yeshwant and irna plant pudar Pintu. So this is Pintu here. Pintu dae
ಅವು ಕಲರ್
ಜೋತಲ್ಲ
ಮಲ್ಲೊಂಡು.
so avu color boka mas mallo undu. So Pintu undu ditara ike. Okay, so his plant name is Pintu. Hi. So he has this plant here and irna pudar dade
ನೈತಿ.
so his name is Naitik and dade plant the pudar dade
ಲೈಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್.
life plant. life live life. Okay, life plant dai life.
ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್.
Okay, so this I think he has thought a lot. So he has named this plant after life. And why life? Because
ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್.
it gives oxygen. And Merry Christmas he wishes. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್.
I have a YouTube channel named NJ Unboxing Hub. You can see it and subscribe it and share it.
ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್?
Unboxing.
Oh, so he does unboxing videos and yeah, so everybody please subscribe to his channel. I'll make sure to link in the description. His name is Pranam and the plant the pudardade
Waterfall.
waterfall. So he has named it after waterfall. Why waterfall?
Because it is
Oh, nice. So because it's fallen off the bottle, like it's in that creeper mode, so that is why he has named it after waterfall. So his plant is waterfall, which looks like a waterfall, and I think he also has taught a lot. We have this notorious guy of the tuition. He got ninna hesaru. His name is Kanish. Can plant the hesaru. He has named his plant after Chomu. And why Chomu?
I don't know, it just came in there.
So it just popped in his mind and that's why he has named it after Chomu. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಎಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ ಹೇಳು.
Our tuition auntie is the best.
ಒಬ್ಬೋ
Jai.
She is going to tell her what she has named after. I mean what she has named this. So ಪನ್ಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಪುದರ್ ಪನ್ಲೆ
ಎನ್ನ ಪುದರ್ ಯುಕ್ತ.
So her name is Yukta and ಒಂದು ಪುದರ್ ದಾದ ಇದೆ.
ಕೀಕಿ ಬಂದು.
Okay, so the name is so cute. Kiki. And why Kiki?
Because ನಾನು ಪೂರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯುಕ್ಕಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, so she wants this plant to be her twin. Yuki is her pet name and Kiki is a plant pet name. So Yuki and Kiki. Happy?
Yeah.
So she's very happy. Okay. Irna putta okay Bhumikane and irna plant the putta baby. So her plant is straight up baby. Why baby?
ದಾಪಂಡ ಅವು ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇಬಿ ಲಕ್ಕ ತೂಪೆ.
Okay, that is very cute and she will ಆಲಲಿನ್ ಅವೇನ ಬೇಬಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೆ ತೂಪೆ. So I car baby in the name.
ಎನ್ನ ಪುದರ್ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಯಾನೈತೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ದ ಪುದರ್ ದೀತೀನಿ ಬಬ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಬಬ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್ ದಿ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನ ಪುದರ್ ಬೊಕನ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಉಂಡು ಬಬ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಉಂಡು. ಸೊ ಐಕೆ
Okay, so she has named it after Bubbly and Bubbly because must cute undu.
And
that's because the plant is very cute and Bubbly name is Star. Okay. Beta dada nalla pandrunde
ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮೇರಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡ ಒಂದು ನಿಕ್ಕಲೆಗೆ ಲಂಚನೆ ಬೇತೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ಪುರ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಾ ನಿಕ್ಕಲೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂಚನೆ ದಕ್ಕುನೇಟಾದ ನಿಕ್ಕಲೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇರಾಂಡಲ ನಿಕ್ಕಲೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, so she has told that instead of throwing away the bottles, that was the whole point behind doing bottle gardening. Instead of throwing bottles away, we can, try to reduce the use of plastic or compensate for the use of plastic by planting some saplings inside this. And that's what she had to say. I love the guy who has been a lot, like, I don't know, he has helped me a lot in the whole, planning of this video, getting stuff and all of that. So his name is Manvit. So he has named his plant after
Legend.
Oh God, with that full power, he has told legend. And why legend?
Because I'm an outstanding student.
Oh wow, he is an outstanding student and
To represent me as legend.
so he is an outstanding student and to represent, like his plant has to represent him as a person. So that's why he has named his plant after legend. Change legend part. So that's why he has named his plant after legend. Let's see what legend has for us in a full show part.
Be aware of legend.
In the end, we have our tuition teacher here. So now, after all her students gave all these unique and creative names, here is the teacher who is going to give a name for her sapling. And let's see what she says.
Hello everyone. This one type of croton, but this look beautiful. So why we plant this type of plants? Because it gives us oxygen, but makes environment very beautiful. ಸೊ ನಾವಿದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈಗಲೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರುವಾಗಲೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ನಮಗೆ ನಿರ್ಮಲವಾದ ಗಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಇದರಿಂದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಟು ಆಲ್.
So she is going to tell us what she has named.
Bhuvi plant.
Okay.
I like it
Why Bhuvi?
because Bhuvi means earth.
So she has named her plant as Bhuvi because Bhuvi means earth. I think we'll come to the end of this video. I am very sad because not all the kids are with us right now because it's already late and they have to leave home. So they have left home. I think I should thank each and everyone for being a part of this video. So thank you.
Welcome.